You should give me a charger.
Why?
It's freaking dying again.
Here.
Are you trying to kill me?
No.
That didn't happen. What are you talking about? Sound.
Probably my lap.
Chair?
It's a stool.
You know, same thing. What is wrong with it?
You're dumping my chicken. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna break this thing.
Plug it in right here. Oh, shit. Get off my squeaky toy!
I gotta pee!
Get off! Get off!
I gotta pee! I gotta pee!
Oh my gosh. That's funny stuff.
Give me it!
No! What did I just...
Hey, that's the ground.
Hey! Shut up!
How are you?